Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to create email templates in Outlook. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide, so just simply follow the steps that I'm going to show you on the screen. So first thing that you will do is simply install the template add-in. So open the Outlook and click on all apps in the top right corner and select add apps and search for my templates, and from there just simply click add to install the add-in, and from there just simply open a new email in Outlook, and after that just simply click view templates in the top right corner, and a pop-up window will show, and you should be able to see there are some existing template that you can choose from. So just simply click on plus icon template to create a new one, and enter a title and compose your email content, guys, and just simply provide the information for your template. And once you are done, you can just simply click on save to store your template. And now once you have created a template for your Outlook, just simply go ahead and open a new mail and click on view templates and select your desired template, and after that the template content will appear in your email, and from there just simply adjust your content or description if needed. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.